Now to point number 4, how to organize your website content to meet your goals. Now, this is something that we probably don't think about all the time, right? As we're developing content, we're sometimes just creating content to create content. But how about connecting that content back to your business goals, right? What are the pain points? As I mentioned, when we were doing our website, we had to really think about what are the pain points. The pain points for us are people that are spending money on digital marketing efforts and not seeing the return, people that have teams that don't necessarily understand digital. So we start creating content that supports that, right? Here's content that we're creating right now to support that. How do you best utilize your website? Do you redesign your website? So this is really for a business owner to start thinking about, does my website really work for me? So this is the content that we're producing here. So we're actually practicing what we preach, and we've done that with our website as well. You want people to come in and see the content. It comes back to target audience, as Michelle mentioned before, and as well as messaging.